ASMR. Hi! Welcome to Chuches Mind.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.
Would you like some? I made this for you, but unfortunately you can't have some because you're not here. But if you can actually eat it through the screen, have some. Hi guys, and welcome back to Chuches Mind. I know the back's a little bit bold, but who cares? It's for me. Okay, no, sorry, it's for you. But you can't eat it, so I'm eating it on your behalf. Right? So yes, welcome back to Chuches Mind. In today's video, I shall be talking about my baking day. So in this vlog, I was told not to talk when I'm eating, so I have to be late because I have etiquette. Okay. In this video, I made shortbread. That's what I'm eating right now. ASMR. She made pound cake, which is really nice. The shortbread is really nice as well. And my mom made plantain chips. You may be asking why this was just baking so much. You know how we're on lockdown, you can't really go out. And you've just been craving sweet things. You just want something to snack on. So like, let's just make things you can snack on. Hence why Noya made pound cake and shortbread. My mom made plantain chips. You can bet with me, by the end of this week, everything is gone. Because you know sometimes when you're just randomly hungry due to boredom, so you just look for something to snack on, which is a really bad thing because I just realized that I'm gaining weight, which is not good because I'm supposed to be fit. But sometimes you just gotta let loose. Enjoy your life. You know? Yeah. Basically, all you have to do is have unripe plantain. Then your phone is ringing. You slice it into like tiny pieces like this, and then you fry it. Welcome back to Chuches Mind. So I'm just here to talk to you guys about what I did in this video, rather what Noye did in this video. So basically, after mixing everything together, we had to fold because the instructions said we should fold the dough, wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge for it to form, and make sure like it's really hard. Keep it in the fridge for like 30 minutes or is it 1 hour. Then after that you bring it out and then you cut it into like little thin slices and then put it on the baking pan and put it in the oven for it to bake for like 10 minutes, and that is it. The instructions are going to be in the description box. a successful baking day. Noye is a champion. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Nanane. Happy birthday to me. We have food for tomorrow. Snack and sing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I hope you guys are able to learn how to make either plantain chips, pound cake. Okay, no, I didn't vlog the pound cake one. Cookie, shortbread cookie, or how to bake bread. And then with the plantain chips, we didn't add salt or sugar because one doesn't like adding salt or sugar, just like eating it like that because it's kind of nice like that as well. But if you want to add salt or sugar, I recommend you put it before you fry it or after you fried your plantain chips. Oh yeah.
Please subscribe. I'm hungry.